Here we are on a walk, and he spotted a cat over there, and then over there is a dog off lead, but I know that dog lives there. Scampi's on high alert, tail up, back straight, and he's watching the cat. Watching the cat. And now he's also just seen the dog, who I think he's doing his business. Okay, the cat's gone. The cat's gone. Okay, come on, should we go and say hello to, I think this is Lily. This is Lily. Oh, she's on her own. Oh my God. Come here, come on. Come out the road. Good girl, come here. Okay. Okay, they're saying hello again. They've seen each other before. But where's the owner? Where's the owner? God, she's got no collar on as well. Right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try and get her home safely. Come on.